First box. Alright. Let's see. So I've got the Rangers and the Rockies. Alright, first hit is going to Freddie Lynn for the Boston Red Sox. Auto, 24 out of 35. Gotta get the camera woke up. I don't want to pick up. There you go, 24 out of 35. Next hit's going to Seattle for Mr. Ronis. Number 6 out of 45. Going to the Mariners. So we got a Sox and a Mariners. That's that sweet. There you go. Obviously you got one of those two, Kevin. Good hit. Next box. And our next hit's going to the Athletics for Sonny Gray. Number 20 out of 50. Auto for Sonny Gray and the Athletics. I don't know what is going on with this camera. I don't want to pick up tonight. Number 20 out of 50. Next hit's going to the Red Sox for Ganarin. Number 13 out of 20. Going to the Sox. 2 hits for the Sox. Guys, supposedly I did a deal with Ustream during the week for no commercials, and last night we had commercials, so I will do a recap. The way you guys can see what's going on just in case you get them. I'll deal with them on Monday about what's going on. There you go, Kevin. There's 2 for you. Next pack. First hit's going to the Astros. And that's Mr. George Springer. Number 15 out of 50. Going to the Astros. Next hit's going to St. Louis Cardinals. Oscar Travis, number 20 out of 50. 2 good hits. One for St. Louis and one for the Stros. Nothing wrong with that. So far, wide variety. Sort of kind of helps everybody get a hit. That's what we're looking for. All right, next box. Let's see what we got in here. First hit's going to the Orioles for Mr. Adam Jones. Nice low numbered auto for the Orioles. Number 10 of 10. Nice hit for the Orioles. Next hit's going to the Yankees. Chase Whiteley. Number 29 out of 50. Die cut for the Yanks. Nice hit. Nice low number on Adam Jones for the Orioles. All right, next box. There we go. One of the fun packs. Telling you, Topps does this on purpose. There's one in every box. Alright. First hit's going to the Rockies. Charles Blackmon. Number 10/31. House gets a hit. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Next one's going to the Texas Rangers for Mr. Odor. I can't ever say his last name, so I'm not even going to try to trash it. 23/25. Going to the Rangers. Nice hit. And I want to go over there. Yeah, you know, that's bad when I'm getting hits, you know. How people are going to bid on teams and win them and then don't even want to get involved. I haven't yet to figure that one out. That's one of the downfalls of box breakers. Alright, next pack. Here we go, Reds. Ooh, we got us a dual auto of Mr. Robinson Cano and Dustin Pedroia, numbered 14/25. So that's going to the Mariners and to the Red Sox. So we will random that off at the end of the break. I'll just set this out here. Next hit's going to the Mets for Rafael Montero, number 32/45. There we go. On to the Mets. A nice dual auto. Didn't see anything like that out of the first half of the case. That's a good hit. And we will random that off. Put that over here for the org. Alright guys, next box. Kevin, we're going to do a random.org. What we'll do is we'll roll the dice. It'll tell us how many times we're going to randomize the card. And Boston and Seattle's name will both go in. We'll random it how many times the dice says, and whoever's on top gets the card. Alright guys, here we go, going to the Braves. Mr. Sims, numbered to 25, number 2/25, auto for the Braves. Next hit's going to the A's for Mr. Scott Kazmir, number 7/50. Hit for the A's and the Braves. Double A pack. Yeah, that's about the only fair way to do it, Kevin. We gotta make sure everybody gets involved and let the, as they always say, let the computer figure it out. That is a sick looking card, though. Definitely two good players on it. Alright, next pack. Alright, first hit's going to the Rays for Mr. Chris, number 22/50. 20, there you go, 22/50. Next hit's going to the Angels. CJ Corn for number 9/15. Going to the Angels. There you go, two good hits. All right, guys, we got 2 more boxes left. Good luck. I understand, man. I understand. I still buy into box breakers here and there just for the fun of it, to see if I can't get something out of it. And I'm the same way. Usually, if it's randomized, I'm going to lose it. We do have a redemption, so we'll do that last. Pittsburgh Pirates for Mr. Polanco, 29 out of 35. And let's see what we got here. We'll use a redemption card to. All right. We have a dual autograph of Reggie Jackson, Ricky Henderson going to the Oakland Athletics. Very nice for the A's. Very nice for the A's. And if the A's fans are listening, I'm a huge A's fan. That is a huge hit. And if you decide to sell it, give me first dibs on it. Reggie Jackson, Ricky Henderson. I grew up watching those 2 guys. So, A's, if you decide to sell, let me know. I'll definitely take it off your hands. Alright, guys, last box before we do the randomizer on the dual auto. Good luck to everybody. If you haven't got something, hopefully we have something in this last pack for you. I'll double check it with it having the number on Cardboard Connections. Give me just a minute, but usually with the Supreme, if you get one, they're both together. Because a couple weeks ago I won one as well with the duel, and it was 2 Orioles. But I will check that. It's a very good question, Joseph. I'll do that before we do the randomizer. Not a problem, my friend. All right, guys, last pack. Good luck to everybody. First hit's going to the Pirates for Mr. Martin. Number 2 out of 35. Going to Sterling for the Pirates. Next hit's going to Miami. And guys, we have a look at this. Here you go, Miami. 101 auto for Santana. We have a 101 for Miami. How about that, guys? That is what I'm talking about. Very, very nice hit for Miami. 1 of 1. Going to Miami. There you go. Is Miami man with us? NY fan, I think you're right, buddy, but he does have a point. I just want to double check it and make sure that's not something we need to random off. Make sure I'm not, taking something from somebody that deserves it. I agree with you. I do believe he's an ace in all this, and usually if you get a duel, you'll get the same team. Like this is the one I won not too long ago. It's out of the same product. That's Machado and Chris Davis dual autograph jumbo patch relic booklet. But that's usually the way it goes. If you get one, they're both on the same, but I'm going to pull up Cardboard Connections right now, and we will make sure that I'm not wrong. Y'all buy me just a second. Let me double check that for him, and then we'll random off the dual auto. Buy me just a second, guys. We'll make sure of this. All right. Topps Supreme 2014 baseball. Topps Supreme, where's it at? Alright, where we go? There we go. Topps Supreme. We'll look at checklist. Dual autos. And this one is DAJH. DAJH. Ricky Henderson for the Oakland Athletics and Reggie Jackson for the Oakland Athletics. You can check it out on Cardboard Connections. It does show you the two, what teams they are on. Yeah, you're right, NY fan. I have been pulling a lot of A's stuff out of the last couple cases. We had a Henderson and Mark McGwire buyback, and we had an actual Reggie Jackson auto, a couple Sonny Grays. So no, you're right. I agree with you. All right, so this one does go to the A's, and like I said, I'm sorry, Joseph, you brought it up. Make sure it wasn't a Yankee. You can go on Cardboard Connections and pull it up, DAJH, and it shows you Reggie Jackson and Ricky Henderson on top of each other. Yes, there is. It's on the checklist. That's right, Kevin. All right, so this definitely goes to the A's. All right, guys, let me get set up for the randomizer for the duel, and then we'll do a recap, and that will be it for the break. It'll buy me just a second. Let me get everything up and running and set up here. Alrighty, get the laptop into motion here. Get set up right there so everybody can see it. First, we're going to go to the dice roller to see how many times we got to roll it. We're going to roll 2 dice, and we're doing 5 times for the random. So it'll be a 5-time roll. And here we go. Let's see, list randomizer. And we'll pull the camera back so I can type on it real quick. We're doing top to bottom, so you got the Sox and the Mariners. So we'll do Red Sox. Red Sox. And the Mariners. Alright, Red Sox and Mariners. Alright, we're going to do the random for 5 times. I'll get you back up here so you guys can see it. And pay attention down at the bottom. You'll see how many times I'm clicking it. So here's the first one. And there's the second one, third one, fourth one. Alright guys, 5th and final. Good luck to the Sox and the Mariners, and the 5th hit, and it goes to the Mariners. The duel goes to the Mariners. That's it. I'll do a recap. Let me get this going for the recap. And as you just seen, we just did this one. It's going to the Mariners. Numbered out of 25. We have Sterling, numbered to 35. We have Polanco, numbered to 35. We have CJ, numbered to 15. It's a nice low one. We have Chris, numbered to 50. We have Cashmere, numbered to 50. We have Simpson, numbered to 25. We have Raphael, numbered to 45. We have Odor, numbered to 25. Hope I'm saying that right. We have Whiteley, numbered to 50. We have Jones, 10 out of 10. Nice low number for the Orioles. We have Oscar, numbered to 50. We have George, numbered to 50. We have, I always miss this guy's name. I'm just going to say Garin, numbered to 20. You can't say his last name. I trash it. We have Mr. Gray, numbered to 50. Excuse me. We have Ellis, numbered to 45. We have Mr. Lynn, numbered to 35. We have the Redemption Dual Auto, Ricky Henderson, Reggie Jackson. And we have a 101 for Miami. That is a very nice, I think they call that a gold die cut. That is very nice. Supreme styling. Very nice for Miami. Well, guys, I really appreciate everybody joining me tonight. Oh, just in case, I did get one out of it. And whoever had the A's and the Red Sox had a good night tonight. Everybody did good on that. And, guys, I do have a Orioles redemption if you guys want to do something with it. More than willing to let it go. I haven't done nothing with it. I just received it not too long ago. Y'all let me know. If not, we'll just go ahead and call it a night. And we're going to do some more Top Supreme Baseball coming up this week. I got some more on order already. All right, guys. Like I said, gentlemen, has got the A's. If you want to get rid of the duel, you just let me know. I am a big A's fan. If not, redeem it, man, and enjoy it. That's going to be a good-looking card. Jackson and Henderson, you can't beat that. That is sweet. All right, guys. I'm going to call it a night. Get ready for the Bowman Sterling football that comes up in the next 20 minutes. You guys have a great evening and enjoy your day. And thanks for joining me again, and hope to see you here soon. Thank you very much. Good night, guys.